All right, what's up guys? I'm gonna show you how to do Fakie Manis today. Fakie Ollies into Fakie Manuals. We'll do it out of the bank to Mani first. All right, so for the Fakie Mani, there's not much to this trick. Obviously, you're gonna wanna learn how to manual first, and you're gonna wanna learn how to Ollie into your manuals too. It's not just a flat ground thing, because you're gonna wanna obviously Fakie Ollie up into the manual pad, whether it's low or high. I suggest starting low first, kind of like the Pier 7 Mani pad that we have here. So when you Fakie Ollie into it, you wanna have a hard pop. When you land in the Fakie Mani, you kinda wanna just give it a nice stick, nice and straight. You don't wanna hit your wheels into your wheel wells because you'll get wheel bite and then you'll stick and you'll fly off. So make sure when you land in that Fakie Mani, you land both your wheels nice and straight with your board aligned. So if you have like loose trucks, it's good to be right on it, kinda like this, and not on your toes or on your heels. Just practice them on flat ground first. That's how I learned them, just by like looking at a crack and then looking at another crack and just saying, okay, I'm gonna try to Fakie manual from there all the way to there. Once you kind of get that feeling of using your shoulders on how to balance it, once you get that Fakie Ollie in, it's the exact same thing. And then when you make it to the end of the Mani pad, just give it a little nudge. The two times you're gonna get pitched are when you get in and at the very end, because if your tail touches, because your shoulders are so like straight with the board like this, it's not like a nose Mani where you're leaning forward and you can kind of just run out of it. Fakie tends to kind of just launch you backwards onto your ass, and it sucks, and it might happen to you. You just gotta hope for the best, but it's kind of the way of the game on Fakie Manis. Other than that, the actual balancing aspect of it, it feels just like a manual, and I would treat it just like a regular manual as well. Be loose with your shoulders. I've seen other people do this, is they get really locked up on their upper body and they're like kind of stuck very straight in the Fakie Mani. You don't want to do that. You want to be kind of like loose with it, so you can kind of like teeter with it a little bit if you have to. Because if you get locked, like I said, if you get pitched, if you're locked in that Fakie Mani, like you're gonna get tossed. So just be loose on with your upper body, especially your shoulders and your arms, and just be kind of flowy with it. You can learn how to switch Ollie in, but for this trick, it's a little different because a switch Ollie is a very light Ollie. The Fakie Ollie, you kind of want to pop hard and early. As long as you're popping early with it, you want to clear those back wheels over and not hang them up. Nice hard pop, make sure it's high, land in that Fakie Mani, ride it out. Balance, be loose, remember, be loose with it, and then give it a nice little nudge at the end. You want to push it kind of like this. Just a little one of those. Just a little one of those and you're chilling, you're riding away. Just be solid, be straight on it, you're good. And yeah, that's the Fakie manual. You can go try it out at your skate park or street spot, whatever it is, whatever you got, a curb even, curbs work perfectly. And go practice out front on your driveway or on your street right outside your house. Like I said, flat ground manuals is how I learned a lot of my manual tricks, which a lot of people say is kind of harder, but you know what? That could actually be a good thing for you. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more. I'm gonna make more trick tips and stuff like that, but we also got a lot of really cool story related videos coming out too. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment what kind of tricks would you wanna see me do for trick tips. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Like and subscribe.